Hi everybody, Eddie the Mouth out in Buffalo, New York. Looking at Barbie. How you doing? What's up? What's up, you? Hi. Oh, she's such a good girl. Let me come out here with you. What's up? Look at all those flies on you. Look at all those flies. Wow. Oh, they flew away. See them on the back of her leg there? Oh, she got jumpy. Did you get jumpy? Oh, what a nice deer. Being a good girl today? How's it going? Well, I guess I'll end there. If you guys like the content, like and subscribe. Looks like somebody's pulling up and the deer's getting jumpy. Somebody's pulling up. Neighbor. Wave to the neighbor. Well, maybe I won't end now. Sometimes I plan on ending, but I don't always end. What's up? You gonna come back over here? What's up? Hi. She's coming back over. Coming back over. What's up? Hi. Aw, you're such a good girl. You're such a good animal. See? Such a good animal. She's just chilling on the lawn. Just chilling on the lawn, right? Right, Barbie? I still don't see a fawn. I still haven't seen if she has one. She leaves her somewhere else. Leaves it somewhere else because she hasn't been bringing it. Like I said, I seen one fawn early in the year. Oh, and I did see a couple fawns. I did get some video up, but that wasn't here. That was around the corner. Well, I guess I really will end there. If you guys like the content, like and subscribe. Say bye. Say bye.